Morning all of you. Today I am here with the chapter Shivaji's Education. Yesterday from this chapter we have started our new point, what Veer Mata Jijabai taught Shivaji. What Veer Mata Jijabai taught Shivaji. In this lesson we saw that about Jijamata. Jijamata was Jijabai, or we can say Jijamata also. So Jijabai was daughter of Lakujirao Jadhav, and who was her husband? Shahaji Raje. Means she belongs to brave people's family, Bhosles and Jadhavs. But at that time she saw that our Maratha Sardars, they showed their full courage in Sultan's court. Then also they were not getting any type of encouragement. So sultans were not taking proper care of people. They were, because her father Lakujirao Jadhav, he was killed in the court of Nizam Shah. So Jijabai decided herself that her son Shivaji, he will not engage in the service of others. Whatever he has to do, he will do on himself. He will not be engaged in others' services. And she was thinking about Swaraj. And she was bringing up Shivaji with that ideal. This much yesterday we have seen. Now we are going to see remaining part of this point. So open your textbook, page number 19. On this page number you can see the picture of Jijamata, Veer Mata Jijabai. You can see it. Yesterday I have shown you on the screen also. Yeah? All have seen it? Now second paragraph. Put your index finger there. While reading, you are going to pronounce those words. Okay? You will not listen only. You will have to listen and you are going to pronounce those words also. Understood? Okay. See. The people living in the Mawar region were called Mawlaj. They were loyal, hardworking, and quick-footed. No one could surpass them in hardiness, but they were harassed by the Sultan's rule. The armies of sultans used to plunder their villagers, forcing the people to abandon their places. Nobody cared for them. Shivaji yearned to do something for these poor, miserable people. This much we will see first. See, people living in Mawar region. People living in Mawar region were called Mawlaj. Those who were living in Mawar region, those people are called Mawlaj. You listen this word Mawlaj? Yeah. They were loyal. How were those people? They were loyal, hardworking. Then see, loyal. They were loyal, hardworking, and quick-footed. See, these much qualities were there in those Mawlaj. Loyal, they were loyal, hardworking. Do you know hard work? Yeah. Now, quick-footed means whatever work is there, immediately they were doing those. Without passing time, without wasting time, that work they were doing immediately. That punctuality was there in them. Loyal, hardworking, and quick-footed. Now, no one could surpass them in hardiness. No one was able to pass them in their work. But they were harassed by the Sultan's rule. But these Mawlas were harassed by Mawla's rules. Sorry, not Mawla's, Sultan's rules. Mawlas were harassed by Sultan's rules. The armies of the sultans used to plunder their villages. Always these sultans people, they were troubling to these Mawlas. They were going in their villages, forcing the people to abandon their places, and they were forcing people to change their places from one place to another place. Then nobody cared for them and nobody was caring about them. Just people were, sultans were thinking about themselves. No one was caring about these Mawlas. Shivaji yearned to do something for these poor and miserable people. And so Shivaji decided to do something for these miserable people. Okay? Understood? Now next paragraph. On returning home, Shivaji would talk about this to his mother. Jijabai would say, Shiva, Sri Ramachandra is the ancestor of the Bhoslets. Rama killed Ravan and made his people happy. The ancestor of Jadavs is Sri Krishna. He killed Kans and brought relief to his people. You are a descendant of both Sri Rama and Sri Krishna. You can also destroy the weak and make your subjects happy. Subjects, see again this word has come, subjects. In previous, I think so in first or second chapter I told you, subjects means people. Okay, see. Now when they were, Shiva and Jijamata were returning at home, Shivaji would talk about this to his mother, and Shivaji was talking about on this matter with his mother. Jijabai would say, Jijabai said, Shiva, Sri Ramachandra is ancestor of Bhoslets. Ancestor means God, or we can say as a guide. He was showing proper path to people. So, ancestor. Sri Ramachandra is ancestor of Bhoslets. Keep in mind, Bhoslets, Sri Ramachandra. And Rama killed Ravan. All of you know this. Rama killed Ravan. And the ancestor of Jadavs, is Sri Krishna. Who was he? Sri Krishna. So he killed Kans. Whom he killed? Kans, and brought relief to his people. And he brought relief to his people. You are a descendant of both Sri Rama and Sri Krishna. And Shiva is descendant of Sri Rama also and Sri Krishna also. So you can also destroy weak and make your subjects happy. And you can also destroy these problems and you can make your people happy. Okay, subjects means people. Understood? See the last paragraph what is told now. These words of Jijabai were a source of inspiration to young Shivaji, and these words were inspiration to young Shivaji. He would remember the brave deeds of heroes of the past like Rama, Krishna, Bhim, Arjun. See, we know that Jijabai used to tell him stories of Rama, Krishna, Bhim, Arjun. Yeah. So he would remember those brave deeds. Deeds means whatever their work, that work and their achievements, he remembered them. And he thought of them all the time, and he was thinking about them all the time, whether asleep or awake. Whether he was sleeping or he was awake, then also he was thinking about these people. He felt that he too must fight against injustice as they did. And he was also thinking that he should fight against injustice. Those sultans, they were injustice with the Mawlas people. So he should fight for them and like them and destroy weak and bring happiness to his subject, and destroy all the problems and bring happiness to his people. He thought that he should become courageous and brave like these heroes of old. and he was thinking that he should become like courageous and brave like these old heroes. Which heroes? Rama, Krishna, Arjun, Bhim. These were the heroes of Shivaji Maharaj. Understood? So like this, Veer Mata Jijabai taught Shivaji. Understood? In tomorrow's video, we are going to see the new regime of Shivaji. The new regime of Shivaji. Okay? But before that, today you are going to read this chapter one time loudly and one time slowly, and find out hard words and copy them in your notebook. Understood? Again, homework you can see at the last of the video. Thank you very much.